Hi, this is Eric with Parts Doctor. Today we're going to show you how to access service mode on your GE refrigerator. GE service mode is used to access fault or error codes and then run tests on certain components of your refrigerator. It is useful when troubleshooting or diagnosing your refrigerator, especially when trying to figure out which parts are specifically bad. Before accessing service mode, you want to locate your model refrigerator's tech sheet. Ours was located here under the middle cover assembly. You can check out our video linked in the description below on how to remove the middle cover assembly. Here are some common button combinations used to enter service mode. For water and ice dispenser units, hold water, crushed, and cubed. For autofill units, hold water, ice, and autofill. For K-cup units, hold water, ice, and light. For non-dispenser units, enter ice maker and lock controls. In order to enter service mode on our water and ice dispenser model, we held the water, crushed, and cubed buttons at the same time. Once your refrigerator enters service mode, both the freezer and fresh food displays will show tech followed by 00. To toggle between testing options, press the fridge button to go up and the door alarm button to go down. When you land on the test you want to perform, press any key excluding the up and down buttons to execute it. In order to view any pre-existing error codes, you'll need to execute test 0000 by pressing any other button. If any error code displays, reference the chart on the tech sheet for its meaning. For example, error code 0003 means that the freezer thermistor is reading out of range. And error code 0111 means that the icebox fan cannot reach target speed. Now, let's run through a few examples. By setting our refrigerator to test number 14 and executing it, the refrigerator's defrost cycle will begin in the fresh food and the freezer compartments. This test is often used by technicians to help troubleshoot the automatic defrost system. Next, let's run test number 48. This test will turn on the freezer evaporator fan motor to help assist troubleshooting the fan motor system. Now, with the door open, we should be able to hear the fan motor running. Finally, to exit service mode, toggle to test number 16, which is the exit option. Once you figure out which part is causing your problem, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. You want to make sure you are searching with the model number on the tag of your refrigerator to make sure you are getting the correct part. Let us know in the comments below if this video helped you troubleshoot your refrigerator. Drop a like and subscribe below for more videos like this.